Famous siomai with egg in UP Diliman! Hi mga ka-locals! When I posted my UP food trip, some of you guys said hindi daw kompleto ang UP food trip pag hindi ko trinay ang Arky Vicky. Kaya naman today, tara samahan niyo ako. Very sikat sila dito for their siomai with egg inside. Napaka-addicting and napaka-delicious daw this one. So let's try. Sarap nung chili nila. And of course, the toyo and calamansi is also a must with siomai. Ang laki ng siomai and OMG! Ang sarap ng quail egg inside and siksik na siksik talaga. Their siomai, alam nyo ba, just by eating 2 to 3 pieces, sobrang busog na talaga kayo. Well, for me, sobrang nabusog na ako just by eating 2 pieces. Even si Parker napa-thumbs up din. Ayan! Kayo ba mga ka-locals? Have you tried Arky Vicky? And it's located lang almost beside the College of Architecture. Ayun lang, kain tayo mga ka-locals!